Hi, welcome to my video. I am Jane and I am here to talk to you about a shake. Well, you all know that I love shakes to lose weight, but this one in here, it's my favorite ever. Lanta Flat Belly Shake. Yes, if you really want to lose that stubborn belly fat you have, stay here with me until the end of this video because I will tell you everything about Lanta Flat Belly Shake. I love this product. But do you know why some people lost money buying Lanta Flat Belly Shake? Well, I need to warn you that I saw a lot of people on the internet complaining that they bought Lanta Flat Belly Shake and they didn't receive the product or they didn't have results. Yes, due to Lanta Shake success, people are selling fake offers on the internet, right? And you must be really careful where you are going to buy this shake. I am leaving for you the link to the official website where I bought mine and where you can buy yours, okay? Go only on the official website to check for more information, okay? And well, Lanta Flat Belly Shake is a powder, right, that you mix in a glass of milk, in a glass of water, or in your favorite beverage. And its ingredients, all natural ingredients, they will boost your metabolism and make you feel satisfied, energetic, with a lot of energy and focus to do your tasks, to go to the gym. You're gonna feel a lot of vitality, disposition. All these natural ingredients mixed, they will also boost your metabolism and make you burn fat in an easy, very easy way. If you are tired of restrictive diets, intense exercises, that sometimes we see results, but not strong results. Like we don't lose a huge amount of weight, right? I really recommend you to try Lanta Flat Belly Shake. You are gonna lose the stubborn belly fat you have in your body. You are gonna lose even the most stubborn fat. Wow, you are gonna achieve your weight loss, girls. I love this shake and I really recommend you to try Lanta Flat Belly Shake if you are really struggling to lose weight, if you are feeling starving all the time, if you think there is no chance for you to slim down. I really recommend you this shake. And guys, something that really made me buy Lanta Flat Belly Shake is that we have 1 year money back guarantee. Yes, guys, 1 year. In 1 year, you're gonna transform your body. You're gonna transform your body in 1 year. So its results are money back, right? 1 year guarantee. I really love Lanta Flat Belly Shake, and that's why I really recommend you to try because there is no risk to waste money. There is no risk for you guys. It's just, results or money back. And something I also like is that there is no risk for you, for your health, right? There is no risk to harm your health because it's FDA approved, like no GMO, no haptoforming. So it doesn't matter if you are taking another medicine, if you're taking, if you are in another treatment, it's natural. It's a shake and you're gonna feel, full and satisfied. You won't be able to eat a huge amount of food because the shake really makes you satisfied without hunger, so much hunger. And I really recommend you to try this supplement. And you have 1 year guarantee. So here's the chance to transform your body, to lose weight in a natural and safe way. I really recommend you to try Lanta Flat Belly Shake if you really want to lose weight in a natural and safe way. Go there on the official website to check for more information. Guys, I saw people losing like 20 pounds, like 30 pounds in few weeks. So I really recommend you to give yourself a chance to transform your body with this shake. Go there on the official website, okay? Thanks for watching my video and I see you next time. Bye!